I'll tell you what, plenty of action on the stock markets today. Let's get across the moves with Edward Boyd. Ned, we've talked about Sigma being folded into Chemist Warehouse.
We did.
But boy, did those shares go nuts today.
They took off. We thought they were going to fall because the offer price was 70 cents a share. That did not happen. Sigma Healthcare, top performer. It soared at the open. It actually opened at about $1.35 and did dip a little bit today. But you can see overall, share price was up 40%. So a lot of investors clearly buying into Sigma, presuming this merger with Chemist Warehouse is going to go through if it gets regulatory approval. So Sigma, top performer by a mile today. Look, the local market, that was up too. Healthcare sector was a top performer thanks to Sigma shares. Banks and miners also did well. Energy stocks, they did tumble a bit. Market, though, today was also supported by the US inflation numbers, which were released overnight. Inflation eased slightly to 3.1% in November, a little bit higher than anticipated, but still implies rates in the US are going to remain on hold at 5.5% tomorrow morning. So ASX 200 finished the day up 0.3%. Buy now, pay later company Zip, data analysis tech stock Nuix, and the synthetic skin company Polynovo, all top performers today. And these three stocks regularly bounce around between best and worst performer on any given day of the week. BlueScope Steel surged to a 12-month high after a broker upped its price target for the stock due to strong steel prices in the United States. The broker expects earnings in the second half of 2024 to rebound. BlueScope was up about 2.3%. Casino operator The Star was up 2%, and explosives maker Orica was up 1% pretty much on the dot. And it was a great day for the material sector thanks to iron ore prices remaining resilient at about $135 a tonne. That's the highest level since March this year. Australia's third largest iron ore miner, Fortescue, it soared to a record high. Rio Tinto jumped to its highest level in 2 years. BHP is back to its highest point since mid-November. Losing value today, the machine learning stock Appen. It's been crunched recently. It's down 75% in the past 12 months. Education stock IDP, well, that slipped as well. And the pharmaceutical provider Clinuvel. Here's a quick look at the local currency. You can see Aussie dollar, it was pretty stable today against the greenback. Not too much movement here, but it is buying about 65.55 US cents. And Ross, that's markets for the day.
Yeah, thanks so much, Ed.